Hey guys, Hutchin Review here, back with another video, and today it is Christmas. Ow. It is Christmas, and I got this for Christmas, so we're gonna unbox it. Cause, why not? Right? And we're in a different location because it's big. So, this is LG's 24-inch Infinity Display Monitor. That is the name of it, and I'm using my 3D printing knife to open it because I can't get it open any other way. Man, and does this work beautifully. I also have a few other things, but those are going to be coming out in later dates. But no, they came from Christmas, right? And mainly because I have to edit them, and I don't get a lot of tech videos throughout the year, so spreading them out would be a good idea, right? So here we go. And a year has passed since my most popular video came out. In case you need that. Trying to line it up here. Not that we are going to look at that, but this is gonna, by the way, this is gonna hook up to my Mac. I think this is, yeah, this is like a brushed aluminum looking plasticky. It's plastic, but it looks like aluminum, and that's always a plus when it looks high quality. So, let's see if we can get this off. Here's the stand. I'm assuming it's gonna snap. I'll figure it out. Something in there. Oh, that's the monitor itself and cables. Alright, so let's see, what do we get cables wise? Oh, I love it when they provide an HDMI cable. Xbox. Wait, no. No, they didn't. That. I cut myself. Whoops. Cable management deal. Or is that a cap? I don't really know. But it's got screws, so that's cable management deal. This is the power. And this is the power. And this is a bag. So, let's get into the juicy stuff, right? Let's see if we can get into the juicy stuff. We'll throw that off to the side. Here is the monitor itself. I want to be very careful getting this out. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to hold the monitor here. Yeah, there we go. I've been dreaming of this day for so long. It's got the matte finish on it. So, oh, my mic. Okay, don't droop into the shot. It's got the matte finish on it, which I like. It's pretty thin. I mean, completely. But it's bezel-less. Almost. I mean, them bezels. That's all I can say. So. I forget the stand or something. Where's the actual mount? Does the mount go there? Oh, I think I figured this out. So, that goes on like that, right? And we take whatever this weird thing is. And since I'm a handy dandy Manny guy, I'm gonna try my best. Yeah, no. Yeah. That's good. That's good. We'll go over the ports in a minute. I'm gonna go get my screwdriver. I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and screwed those in. So I'm gonna guess, okay, because I'm not an instructions guy. I take this, snap it on like that. Whoa. Magic, right? Alright. Is there anything else before the stand? I'm positive I saw something else. Or am I just blind? Oh, here it is. Cable management deal. Gotta put that on. Right? So, that'll help. And then we put... This feels like aluminum. Like real aluminum. Oh, and then Coolio. We can just kind of like screw that in like a tripod mount. I love it when they make it easy. Go LG. Life is good. Cool. So now we're gonna lift the display up. That's it. That's like absolutely it. Hold on. Let me adjust for a moment here. I'm gonna bring you all bit. Well, hold on just a moment. You guys are shrinking. Have you been shrunken enough? I believe not. I believe you have not. So we're gonna shrink you a little bit more. Oh. Let's see if I can kind of adjust that. Okay. Cool. Nice. Pretty display. We're going to turn it around here. Okay. We have... My mouth is so dry. Audio. Don't know. DC. VGA, that looks like. Something like that. HDMI in and HDMI in. So I guess you could chain link them. I don't know. But now we are going to put all of this stuff aside. Okay. Because we have a keyboard to go with it. So we're just gonna move. Move that right there. Okay. Oh man, now I have to readjust you guys. I really don't want to. We're just gonna adjust your height. Tighten. Is that good, guys? Is that good? Oh shoot. Feel like that's good enough. I have to like move so that I can kind of... Okay. So. That's good. I have this the wrong way. Right. Turn that around. This is the DAS keyboard. Mechanical keyboard. But, check this out. It's designed for Mac. You guys can get a closer look at that. It's mechanical, but for a Mac. Believe that? It's awesome. Okay, so we're going to pull this tab out. You've been such a pain in the butt. Okay. Now we're gonna... Oh. I love this. Okay. Now we're gonna pull out this. That's a ruler. See that? It's a ruler. Wait. Focus. Ow! I fell. Focus point. Why weren't you focused? You'll just have to take my word for it. This is a ruler. And it's magnetic. I'm gonna guess it's to go on the bottom of this. That's my guess. The cable. USB. It's not wireless, sorry. But I don't go for wireless stuff anymore. I don't know. Okay, they didn't have a wireless one. Like it's a legit mechanical keyboard. And it's Cherry MX Blue. It's got media controls over here, your function keys up top, numeric keypad, brightness, eject, delete, all of that stuff. Command, so it is for Mac. Escape, everything. So, since that is basically it. Oh, wait. Riser. So it's just magnetic. Alright. So, since we have the monitor right here, and I have my laptop right here, I have everything I need to connect my laptop to the monitor. I'm going to do this. Wait a minute, does this monitor not have USB? If this monitor doesn't... It doesn't have USB ports. Okay. Well, that's an issue. I'll have to buy USB stuff. So, you guys will see this on my desk when I do my desk setup tour thing. You see my legs here? Beautiful legs. Just kidding. Ow. Now you're seeing the mic. Okay, you're seeing stuff that is not needed to be seen. Now, we shall... This is so dry. Parched, as some people would say. Plug this in here. I'm just hooking up the power. Right. Push this. I'm gonna take my keyboard. Okay. You guys don't really need to see me type. I love that keyboard though. It feels so nice. It's my first mechanical keyboard though. So it's my first external keyboard actually. So how am I doing this? We're gonna shrink you guys back down. We're gonna shrink you guys back down. You're a little... Oh. Uh-oh. I can hit my escape key. Everything works. I can't tell you guys how impressed I am. I'm kind of just stunned. Well, I guess that'll be it for today. may or may not unbox my other stuff on camera, just because I like the experience. I'll see you guys later. Bye, and then Merry Christmas to all, and to all a great night.